Most of us were never taught how money actually works. We were taught how to trade our time for it, but not how to make it work for us. Today, we're cutting through the noise. I've distilled centuries of financial experience into the 5 most essential pieces of wisdom you need to master your financial life. Let's get into it. It sounds simple, almost too simple, but as Dave Ramsey often says, financial peace isn't the acquisition of stuff. It's learning to live on less than you make. This is the foundation. Without this, no amount of investing or hustle can save you. The trap of lifestyle creep. Explain how as income rises, expenses tend to follow. Actionable advice, the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings, debt repayment. The goal isn't to be cheap, it's to be intentional. When you spend every cent you earn, you are essentially a slave to your next paycheck. When you live below your means, you're buying something far more valuable than a new car. You're buying freedom. Most people pay the landlord, the phone company, and the grocery store, and then try to save whatever is left. Warren Buffett famously said, "Do not save what is left after spending. Instead, spend what is left after saving." Psychological friction. We are wired to spend what we see in our accounts. The strategy: set up an automatic transfer on payday. Before you even see the money, it should move to your high-yield savings or brokerage account. Host: if you wait until the end of the month to be responsible, you'll find a reason to spend that money. Automation removes the need for willpower. It makes success the default setting. Host: there's an old proverb, the borrower is slave to the lender. In the modern world, high-interest debt, especially credit cards, is the single biggest anchor holding people back from wealth. Key point: interest is a double-edged sword. Albert Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. He said, "He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it." Good versus bad debt. Bad debt, consumables, clothes, and high-interest credit cards, depreciating assets. Good debt, potentially a mortgage or student loan for a high ROI career, appreciating assets or income generating. Host: if you are paying 20% interest on a credit card, you are effectively working 1 day out of every 5 just to pay for things you've already used. Kill the debt first. It's the best guaranteed return you'll ever get. Host: the most common mistake people make is waiting for the perfect time to invest. Jack Bogle, the founder of Vanguard, once said, "Don't look for the needle in the haystack. Just buy the haystack." He was talking about index funds, the wisdom, time in the market versus timing the market. No one can consistently predict the peaks and valleys. Consistency. Investing $100 a month, starting at age 20, is significantly more powerful than $500 a month, starting at age 40. Host: you don't need to be a genius to get rich. You just need to be patient. Investing should be boring, like watching grass grow or paint dry. If you want excitement, take $80 to Vegas. If you want wealth, buy the total market and wait 30 years. Host: the final piece of wisdom often gets overlooked. Benjamin Franklin said, "An investment in knowledge pays the best interest." Your ability to earn, your skills, your health, and your network is the engine that powers everything else. The focus: skill acquisition. Learning a new high-value skill can increase your income by 20% or 50% overnight. No stock market return can match that. Health: you can't enjoy wealth if you've traded your health to get it. Mindset: stop viewing money as a status symbol and start viewing it as a tool for impact. Host: financial wisdom isn't about being rich. It's about being secure enough to say no to things that don't matter and yes to the things that do. Which of these 5 pillars do you need to work on this week? Let me know in the comments. Host: I've linked a breakdown below on how to start your first index fund. Thanks for watching, and remember, control your money, or it will control you.